Hello guys, our Bible verse this afternoon is found in Psalm 23 verse 1 says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." This verse holds profound significance in the lives of many believers for several reasons. Number 1, divine guidance and provision. The imagery of God as a shepherd highlights his care, guidance, and provision for his people. By acknowledging God as our shepherd, we affirm our trust in His guidance and provision in every aspect of our lives. Number 2, contentment and trust. The declaration, "I shall not want," reflects a profound sense of contentment and trust in God's provision. It signifies a shift in focus from earthly desires and anxieties to a reliance on God's sufficiency to meet all our needs. Number 3, spiritual security. The metaphor of God as a shepherd implies protection and security for his flock. By acknowledging the Lord as our shepherd, we find solace in his constant presence and protection, even in the midst of life's uncertainties and challenges. Number 4, personal relationship with God. The possessive pronoun my in "the Lord is my shepherd" emphasizes a personal, intimate relationship with God. It signifies a deep connection between the believer and their Creator, where God assumes the role of a caring and attentive shepherd. Number 5, hope and comfort. Psalm 23 verse 1 offers hope and comfort by reminding believers of God's faithful presence throughout their lives. In times of hardship, uncertainty, or loss, this verse serves as a source of strength, reminding believers that they are never alone and that God will faithfully lead them through every valley and trial. Overall, Psalm 23 verse 1 is significant because it encapsulates key theme of trust, provision, protection, intimacy, and hope, which resonate deeply with believers and offer profound reassurance in their spiritual journey. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless to all.